Hey guys, so finally Anthropic introduced Claude Opus 5 recently and everyone wants to try it and test it. But because of their upgrade, most of the people are not able to use it. But what if I say this is just till now? Because as you can see in my background, I am using Claude Opus 5 completely free of cost and creating a snake game. Now you can see it start creating and in just a few seconds the game is ready. Now let's play. In the meantime guys, make sure to like, share and subscribe our channel because I am going to show you how I am using Claude Opus 5 completely free of cost. And not only that, but also give you a step-by-step tutorial. So make sure to watch the video till the end and don't skip it. So let's start. First, go to your browser and in the search part, click Tasklet. Click enter and here you can see this is the website. Just click here and don't worry guys, I will provide the link in the description of this website. Now what you have to do is here you can see there are much more options. So first close this sidebar and then here in the advanced part just click here and here are some options but skip it and go to pick a specific model. Now here you can see there are many models like GPT, then here Anthropic and here Google. We just go for Anthropic and here we have Claude Opus 4.6, then 7, 8, 8 fast and Opus as well. And here we have Claude Fuel 5 as well. So we will go with Claude Opus 5. Click here and here you can see it's selected. Now what we will do is we have to create a snake game. So what we will type is create a snake game. Now hit enter. As you can see it start working and as you can see I'm using Claude Opus 5 model. Now guys, in the meantime don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Okay, and for this type of content don't forget to just put the bell icon to all. Now then here you can see it start writing file and here you can expand as well. So guys, let's wait some time because it takes a little bit time to create the whole file. So as you can see there is a issue going on like fail to write file. So it did something and here you can see it already writes some type of functions and so on, but instead it writing file again. So let's see is that works or not. So it wrote the whole file. Okay, here you can see it wrote the whole file but still it won't able to open it, but now here you can see now it's open. So here we have a snake game created and now we have to just click on play here and here you can see now we can play this snake game and this snake game works very well guys. Let me just show you. Here you can see I'm playing right now. So here you can see I just lost and I got 80 points here. Let's play again and here you can see it works very well. So guys, if you like this video make sure to like it, and if you want to use this you make sure to use this website for this content. And also guys, one more thing, if you just close this one first. So guys, there is one more thing you have to keep in mind, like if you just go here there is a credit balance and click on it. So here you can see I have 93 credits left and here I have used 5% of agent daily limit. Now what I'm saying is you got 300 organization credit every day, means it will refresh every midnight. Okay, and if you are doing any work and the credit get finished, then don't worry guys, you have to just wait for the next day and you can continue your work whenever it finished. You can here you can upload your files as well, like if you want to upload your whole file, then here you can add connections, computer triggers, and you can also use contact methods. Now I just provide you the thing and here is the snake game that I have created and it works perfectly. So guys, if you like this video make sure to like it, share this video to everyone, and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you like this. So let's see in the next video, and if you have any issue regarding anything just let me know in the comment section so that I will provide you the answers or solutions as soon as possible. So see you in the next video guys. Happy coding.